Alright, hi, welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to use regular trimming. Alright, without further ado, let's get started. So we are inside of Adobe Premiere Pro right now, and I'm still using the All Panels workspace, okay? Alright, so basically this is regular trimming is a very basic editing way in Adobe Premiere Pro, alright? Alright, so if you want to do a regular trimming, all you have to do is to click this selection tool. All right, and then the selection tool, your cursor will change as the selection tool. Okay, all right, the shortcut for that is letter V for Victor. All right, just press the letter V for Victor on your keyboard and you are currently on the selection tool. Okay, and once you hover your mouse at the end of the clip, all right, these cursor or selection tool will change to this icon. All right, this red icon with an arrow, pointing to the left or either pointing to the right. It depends on how where is it positioned. All right, so if you click on this, and you hover your mouse on these more on this left, all right, and the right, so meaning you can trim this, or you can drag it to the right, and then there you have it. All right, so you're trimming the video. All right, so okay, I'll put it back. All right, and then this is the video right here. Right, so if I'll do a regular trimming, all right, you just put your mouse here, hover your mouse here, and then drag this to the right. Okay, and then there you have it. This is the regular trimming. All right, you can also do it at the right side here at the end of the clip. All right, as you can see, just hover your mouse in there and then drag it to the left. All right, and there you go. That is the regular trimming. Okay, you can also do it this kind of style, regular trimming, on your source monitor. All you had to do is to double click the clip, double click this video right here on your timeline. All right, and then these video will open on your source monitor. Okay, so all you had to do to perform this regular trimming is just drag this icon. As you can see, there's an arrow. There's a similar, all right, and the arrow, but as you see the icon, there's arrow pointing right and to the left, all right, because you can basically move it to right to the left. Okay, right to the left, and this one will set up your in points. All right, in points, and it will also be reflected automatically in our timeline. All right, so if I'll try to drag this, okay, let's try to make it a little bit larger. All right, so that we can see it. You can just drag this scroll bar here. All right, so let me try this part right at the end. Okay, you just hover your mouse there and then just drag it to the right. Okay, and then as you can see, it will also reflect in our timeline. Okay, I'll just change this playhead so that we can drag this to the left. All right, let me drag it to the left, all the way to the left. All right, as you can see, it's reflecting in the timeline. Now the problem here is you cannot drag it right over here, right, because there is already a timeline, or there's a video right in after that or before the clip. That's why you cannot extend it. All right, you cannot extend it right here. All right, and that is the reason here you can, if you want to do that too, you cannot extend it. All right, because you are on the selection tool and you are just performing you're just performing regular trimming. All right, so basically that's it. That's how you do a regular trimming. You can do it on the program monitor by just dragging this to the right and left, and also this from right and left. All right, basically you're just setting an in point and out point. All right, and it will also automatically reflect it on our timeline. Okay, so yeah, thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.